wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Whoa, Tiana, that's a frog. Tiana really likes frogs.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Noah.
Hi, Olivia. I thought I'd bring the frog over because for whatever reason, he really wanted to meet Tiana.
Oh, hi, Mr. Frog. Why did you want to meet Tiana?
Well, I think this frog is a prince.
Oh.
And
Oh.
a prince needs a princess.
Yeah. And so Tiana can kiss the frog.
Exactly. Do you want me to come up there?
Yeah. Come on up here. Come
Okay. There we go.
Wow. And
So basically, the frog wants to kiss Tiana, but
ew. Tiana says no.
what? But
She says I really like frogs, but I don't like kissing frogs.
I'm a prince. I'm not a frog. I'm a prince stuck into a frog. And if a princess kisses me, I turn into a prince.
But frogs are slimy and gross and
Oh, I give nice kisses.
they have warts.
I give nice kisses.
I don't know. What do you say? What do you say, Olivia? Should I kiss the frog?
Should I try? I can try.
Yeah, I think go ahead and kiss the frog. Let's see what happens.
Oh no, I can't do it.
No, you do it. No, wait. Let's see if I can. No, I can't do it.
Tiana, I think you have to do
Yeah,
it.
Tiana, you have to be brave and have frog lips for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
Oh no! Tiana, you turned into a frog.
And my frog didn't turn into a prince.
Yeah. Why are you a frog? Ribbit. I think Tiana says she's not a princess. Oh,
She lied.
she didn't lie. Nobody said, "Are you a princess?"
But she dressed like a princess.
She was just dressed up for a ball. Anyone can dress up like a princess if they want.
Yeah, but to which ball was which prom was she invited
She
to?
was invited to the New Orleans State High Prom. Yeah. And when you go to the prom, you have to wear a princess dress.
But you could have told me that you weren't a princess.
But you didn't say, "Are you a princess?" Why would I say, "I'm not a princess"? I don't walk into a room like me right now. I walk into a room and go, "Hi, Noah. My name's Olivia. I'm not a princess." That's just weird. No one does that.
Oh,
Yeah. Now we have two frogs.
I'm sorry, Prince.
Now,
I was trying to help you and
well,
save you.
if he's a prince, maybe if he kisses Tiana, she'll turn back into a princess. Try it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mwah!
Nope.
No, that didn't work.
I bet the magic that was used on that frog, on your frog, is now on Tiana. And they need a human prince or princess.
We have a problem, don't we?
Yeah.
What do we do now?
I think we have to go find a princess. Ribbit.
Look, I see
Whoa.
Rapunzel's there. I think that's
Yeah.
Rapunzel, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is Rapunzel. She is a princess. And look, she's
She
in
can-
a very high tower.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but she can help Tiana, can't she?
Yeah, she can. I wonder how we can get up to that tower.
Well, I know. We're running out of...
At a time. Tiana doesn't want to be a frog forever.
Yeah.
Ribbit.
The frog won't be able to climb up there.
No. Oh, but
Let's call up
Rapunzel!
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 We need your help!
We need your help! Rapunzel! Hi! I really want to come out of this tower. It's so high, and I'm so all alone. Aw.
Olivia, have you reached up there yet?
I'm here!
Oh, wow. That must have been tough.
Yeah, it was a long journey.
Okay, so ask Rapunzel to help you out.
Rapunzel, can we come up? Yes, you can hop up here. Hop, 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 hop. And I, Rapunzel, will put out my hand and pet the frog through the window. And I will turn the frog back into Tiana.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Tiana, we got you back. You're not the frog anymore. Yay!
But now how? Oh no!
Oh no!
Now Tiana and Rapunzel are stuck in the tower.
Yeah, you're stuck in the tower.
Oh no! What are we gonna do?
What are we going to do? I know.
Yeah.
Cinderella told us that all of the other princesses have gone to her for big, huge prom dance celebration,
Oh.
except Belle. She hasn't been there, but maybe before she goes there, we can find her and ask her to help us.
Yeah. So we should go find Belle now, right?
Yeah, we need to find Belle.
Okay. I have an idea. I bet Belle is at the library.
Why at the library?
Cause she really likes books.
Oh,
Or at the wishing well.
okay.
Or in
Okay.
your small town.
Well, let's look at all those 3 places, and Rapunzel, Tiana, we will be back. We'll make sure to find Belle and get you both out of there so you can both be at the prom tonight.
Yay! Then we'll get to go to prom. That'll be so fun.
Okay.
Wishing well, we're looking for Belle.
Noah and Olivia.
Oh!
I heard you.
Is that you, Belle?
Oh, look. It's Belle.
Yay!
Hey,
Hi,
Belle.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Oh, we were looking for you, Belle.
Yeah, were you at the bottom of the well?
I was.
Wow.
I was turning the water into rainbow water so it would stay rainbow well.
Wow! That's awesome! I didn't even know that was a thing that could happen for a well.
Yeah, I guess that's
cool.
why you're the princess, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but kids, why are you here? Why do you summon me?
Oh,
Olivia, do you want to tell Belle why we're here?
sure, yeah. So Tiana and Rapunzel are stuck in the very top of a tower, and we don't know how to get them down.
They're stuck in the tower?
Yeah.
Oh, no!
Yeah, and we can't go to the prom until we get them out of the tower.
Yeah, Belle, were you planning to go to the prom too?
Oh yeah, you should come with us.
Oh, yeah, of course, I want to go as well. But then let's rescue Rapunzel and Tiana first, and then we go from there.
Oh yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Okay, let's do that. Come on, Belle, let's go.
We have to go over there, and we have to convince Rapunzel to grow her hair out really, really long.
So she can climb out of the tower.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Wait, what?
But once she grows her hair long, she can't climb down her own hair. So
Oh yeah, you're right.
Tiana
can climb out.
Yeah.
Belle. What? So Tiana, we can get Tiana. What about Rapunzel then?
Rapunzel, we will then make. Oh, we will use the magic well as a stepping stone, the rainbow well, and then Rapunzel can climb down.
Oh, great, brilliant.
Yay!
Okay, so Belle,
Okay.
why don't you climb up to the tower
Yeah.
and convince Rapunzel
To grow out her hair.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go
for
get
it.
her.
Go, Olivia, go!
I'm going.
Rapunzel, Tiana, we're coming. We're going to come rescue you. Don't worry. We're on our way. We're going to make the prom dance.
Oh!
Look, it's growing. The hair's growing.
Look how long her hair is now.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Olivia, do you ever wish you'd have such long hair?
Yeah, that would be really nice. My hair's pretty long though, see, look.
Yeah, maybe instead of doing the rainbow wall, maybe, Olivia, we need your hair for Rapunzel to come out.
Oh, that would be a good idea.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just use my hair for both of them.
Yeah, why don't
Like
we do
this.
that?
Like this. Can I do it like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, and then they can slide down my hair. Here, hold on.
Okay. Come on, Rapunzel and Tiana. Olivia, yay! Wow! You've made it! Go you.
Yeah, I'll bring Tiana.
Yeah, why don't you come back again?
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
Wow.
Wow, I didn't know that my hair was that long. I was a ladder.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, it was like my hair was a rope ladder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, how are you, princesses? Princess Tiana, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
And how about Rapunzel?
I'm okay, good too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now I want to go to the prom. We want to go dancing at the prom.
Yeah.
Yeah, Belle, you're going to bring us to Belle of the Ball.
Yeah, Belle of the Ball.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.
Oh, that was so nice.
That was a wonderful prom.
Well, kids, I hope you enjoy your prom too and you have a lot of fun. We're going to keep on dancing, but we'll see you next time, okay, kids?
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.